not going to be available.
No. Yeah, we got that for the gear up landers. Yep, we will push and set up for 30 right.
The 2264, they're pushing your gate now. When they leave, you can go in.
Clear for takeoff. 2264.
Front.
294, can we shut both engines down real quick?
Well, a couple minutes early due to an emergency inbound taxi, 30 left, Alpha 1, are you ready to go?
397.
Country 2397.
Hey, if you're not ready, I need to know.
Ready, Country 2397.
Towers 267, we'll see you.
267, thanks.
17, Delta 1032, push approved, plan 30 right.
You're 2397, right, 30 left, line up on 08. Team map star, Tango cross 22. Tier 2397, fly runway heading right, 30 left, clear for takeoff. 1442, Minneapolis RN, 30 left, line up away. Delta 1442, RN, 30 left, line up away. The 2846, turn left heading at 260, connect departure.
2264. Can you guys scooch up about 50 feet? Gulf 17 says you're a little too close for them to push behind you.
We will do that, Delta 2264.
Alpha cross runway 422.
1032, they'll move up a little bit. Let me know if after they finish moving up, if your rampers still don't like it.
I'll advise next to land. Tier 2397, turn left heading at 260, connect departure. .1442, fly runway heading right, 30 left, clear for takeoff.
On the emergency aircraft.
About 2 minutes.
Captain 5 tower. Captain 5, just keep you advised of the plan. The emergency aircraft is going to do a low flyby on 30 left, just so we can get some eyes on that nose gear. The nose gear is the one that they cannot get down. They're about 15-mile final for the flyby.
.4837 Minneapolis ground, runway 30 right, taxi via Papa, behind traffic left to right.
30 right, via Papa.
Super 6, Minneapolis ground, push is approved.
Push approved, Super 6. No, 2294, ready to restart our engine.
2294, engine management is at your discretion, sir.
Minneapolis Tower, roger, the wind 300 at 9er, and cleared low approach, runway 30 left. Your missed approach instruction will be a left turn heading 220, climb and maintain 4,000.
1994.
Very good, thank you. Sky 3841, push through, runway 30 right. For 6, taxi via Charlie 6, runway 22, hold short of Bravo for now.
Stuck up, correct?
Bravo, submit that 6.
We got fire crews will be watching as well as you go by.
Runway 30 right, taxi via Papa. It'll be just a little bit at the end. We got an emergency on the other side. We're working.
Sir, 4837 Minneapolis Tower, make sure your transporter's on. Squawk 3632, fly heading at 300, runway 30 right, clear for takeoff.
Ground up 1064 taxi.
Delta 1064, runway 30 right, taxi via Alpha, Charlie, Papa.
30 right via Alpha, Charlie, Papa, Delta 1064.
And 6 November, Romeo, might seem like an odd question, but do you have your landing light on? Is your landing light associated with your nose gear at all? Okay. Yep, everybody's keeping eyes on them. Sky 3733, Minneapolis Tower, turn right heading at 320, runway 30 right, clear for takeoff.
Right turn heading 220, 30 right, clear for takeoff, Sky 3733.
There 4837, heading 300, connect departure.
300 over departure there, 4837.
For 6, monitor tower 126.7, they'll call you shortly. Just don't bother them until they call you.
1267, Super 6.
$2264, just to re-coordinate, you can taxi into the gate when you're able.
Okay, we'll be into the gate now for that part.
$2287 Minneapolis Tower, wind 290, 9 right, 30 right, clear to land.
Stand by. stand by.
At 3733, turn right, heading at 360, 360 departure.
1 SkyWest, you ready to move?
You're in over departures, goes 3733, good night.
Taxi via Papa.
Oh, we're confirming what you show from the tower. Your mains appear down and locked, nose gear does appear not down.
1032, runway 30 right, taxi via Alpha Charlie Papa.
30 right via Alpha Charlie Papa for Delta 10.
November 6 November Romeo, heading 220, maintain 4000. Contact Minneapolis approach on 134.7. We'll be ready for you coming back around.
Super 3, standing by.
Southwest 1287 Minneapolis Tower, 5 in trail with a Airbus runway 30 right, clear to land. Super 6 Minneapolis Tower on 22, cross runway 30 left, and continue via 22 Sierra, control point 11, monitor point 9.
Forty 42, runway 30 right, taxi via Papa.
Minneapolis approach runway 30 right, 30 right. Southwest 1363, turn right heading 270, cleared visual approach runway 30 right.
I'm sorry, say again.
Gain 170 knots or greater to Jacko, contact tower 126.7, we'll see.
Delta 22.8, okay.
Yeah. Alpha, Mike, Papa, cross runway 4.
3606, reduce speed to 210.
87's with you, Alpha Charlie from Fox 14.
22, 87, taxi, actually, sorry, who is Fox 14?
Delta 22.8.
22-7, turn right on Papa, left on 22, hold short of hotel.
Minneapolis approach runway 30 right, 30 right. Minneapolis RS 30 right, clear to land, 7 in trail to 73. 6 to maintain 5,000. Plus 1363, traffic hold position.
Southwest 13362, welcome.
Going on up here, you said you want to get to Fox 14, right?
79, reduce speed to 210.
All right, 2287, company's pushed off it, they're working on getting their engines going, cold stuff. Call your company, see if they want you somewhere else.
Will do.
$22.94, ready to taxi now.
Auction.
2294, taxi via Delta Papa to runway 30 right.
Delta Papa, 30 right, Delta 2294, thank you.
Let's maintenance, push and reposition from 10 to 15 via Delta.
Push reposition via Delta, Southwest maintenance.
Fly the 30 right transition.
And it'll be the 12, you know, it's going to be the 30 right de-ice pad. We're just going to spray there because you're going to get 30 right for departure anyways.
30 right de-ice, 30 right departure for
Hops 47 right. This area 41 maps are 30 right, line up away, traffic 6 miles an hour. 236, descend to maintain 7,000. 3658, turn right 18270, the field's 3 o'clock and 12 miles. 3658 heading 270 to join final cleared visual approach runway 30 right, maintain 170 knots to Jacko. Crash 15, can I get you just to make a loop quick? There's a tug trying to get out of signature that needs a crossover at Whiskey 5.
We're going to sneak you out right now or you might be stuck there for hours.
29, flight present heading to maintain 7,000.
Turn ground point. 30 left, Super 3.
Post tower 126.7, we'll see it. 41, turn right heading 320, runway 30 for takeoff. Turn 320, right to takeoff.
Behind Sun Country, or southwest right to left, they're going to turn in front of you on Papa.
Speed to 210, then descend to maintain 7,000.
Right. Delta 2294 behind your company.
The 737, runway 30 right, clear to land traffic hold position.
7 taxi via Papa, runway 22, hold short of Bravo, call you back.
Airport 12 o'clock, 17 miles.
Delta 2287, taxi via Hotel, Delta to your gate.
Delta Bravo, Delta 2287.
0 right, maintain 210 knots per hour.
Whiskey 5.
30 left via Whiskey 5.
Super 3, okay, cross 30 left at Whiskey 5, then join Alpha.
30 left at Whiskey 5 via Alpha, Super 3.
Runway 30 right, 30 right.
You're able, traffic off the right and left are waiting for you.
1032.
Endeavor 4919, you can cross runway 4 on Papa, sequence behind both Delta aircraft off the right-hand side. You'll be right behind the 757.
Douglas 4065, descend to maintain 7,000.
The 2961, Minneapolis ground, push is approved, 30 right for departure.
20, contact departure.
320, departure, Sky 3841, 0.
Sun Country 8686, reduce speed to 170. So 1379, descend to maintain 5,000. 2236, flight present heading, descend to maintain 6,000. So 1619, reduce speed to 210. Remember Romeo, the airport is 10 o'clock and 15 miles. 2 Minneapolis Tower, traffic's 5 mile final, runway 30 right, line up and wait.
0 right, line up and wait, 748, 42.
Okay, expect the ILS 30 left. Sun Country 8686, contact Minneapolis Tower 126.7, we'll see you.
Minneapolis Tower, good evening, Sun Country 8686, reach your visual 30 right.
Descend to maintain 7,000. 658, Tower 1239.5. Sun Country 654, turn left on Charlie, hold short, sorry, Southwest 1363, turn left on Charlie, hold short, runway 30 left.
2395.
1979, turn left heading 030. 1963, turn left on Charlie, hold short, runway 30 left.
1287, continue on 22, cross runway 30 left and taxi via Tango to the gate. No delay crossing, please.
Heading 330. 3 miles from ABES, maintain 4,000 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 left approach.
Alright, heading 30 right, clear for takeoff, 748, 42. 30 right.
I'm going to call you back in a hurry.
30 right.
Sun Country 8686, Minneapolis Tower, traffic's 2.5 mile final, traffic will hold a position, wind 3010, runway 30 right, clear line.
1363, we're going to Hotel 13.
You are clear land, runway 30 right, the wind 30010.
No delay in your taxi, please.
Charlie, hold short Bravo, no delay, Southwest 13163.
Out of the turn, flight present heading, descend to maintain 7,000.
Who's going to do a gear up landing, so I'm going to call you back in just a second.
Sounds good, Southwest 1363.
3658, contact tower 123.905. To land runway 30 right.
Clear to land 30 right, Sun Country 658.
The 1363, cross runway 30 left at Charlie, taxi via Charlie Tango.
Charlie Tango, Southwest 1363.
19 flying 300, vector for sequence. Kind of departure.
Flight 10360 to departure 74840, Suga 9.
Under 658, yard clear to land runway 30 right. Hawker.
Ground Delta 2954 to 12 left ice, I will operate back.
Delta 2954, stand by, I'll call you back.
This is 300 at Niner, runway 30 left, you're clear to land.
Runway 30 at Delta 1064.
Delta 2954, runway 30 right, taxi via Pop across runway 4.
30 right, via Pop across runway 4, Delta 2954.
Next to land, 8 mile final.
Skywest 30 at 36, 30 right, the ice pad, taxi there via Quebec.
22 or Mike, contact ground point Niner.
0 left.
2 or Mike, ground point 9, Sun Country 658. Sun Country 658 is off on Mike, looking for Hotel 6. Runway heading clear for takeoff 30 right, Delta 1064.
Short of 30 left for now.
Mike, hold short of 30 left, Sun Country 658.
658, hold short of Bravo. Unfortunately, we're going to have an emergency land the south parallel, and I just got to have you wait.
We'll hold short of Bravo, Sun Country 658. And tower Delta 2954, somebody got up again.
Secretary 658, amend the instructions. Turn left onto Hotel. Next, it's your next left, the 45-degree turn. Onto 22, hold short of 30 left, and call you back for more.
Left on Hotel, cross runway 4, hold short of runway 3. 2954.
Secretary 658 on 22, cross runway 30 left, taxi without delay, emergency aircraft on a 5-mile final. Secretary 658 on 22, cross runway 30 left, no delay, traffic on a 5-mile final, emergency aircraft.
60, contact departure.
0 left, no delay, Sun Country 658.
The 2385, understand you're ready? Who's ready?
And ground Delta 2954, someone got up, we need to wait.
32 Maple Tower, traffic's 1-2 mile final, runway 30 right, line of point.
Runway 30 right, Delta 1052.
Your 658, use 22, Charlie 2 intersection of the gate, have a good night.
2 Charlie 2 intersection,
Secretary 8686 down to 22, please. Turn left on 22 and contact ground point Niner. Into 300 at Niner. 2, contact ground point Niner, Sun Country 8686.
Left on 22, ground point. 36. Ground Sun Country 8686 on 22, heading to Terminal 2.
Secretary 8686, taxi via 22, hold short of Hotel, understand Hotel 2.
Delta 1032.
2294, Maple Tower, traffic's 10 mile final, runway 30 right, line of point.
And we're heading to Hotel 4, actually.
Secretary 8686, roger, taxi runway 22, hold short of Hotel.
Tower traffic hold is position, wind 3009, runway 30 right, clear line.
8686.
Delta 1379. Delta 2961.
2961.
We're going to troubleshoot a problem here. We're going to have to sit here and deal with some maintenance issues.
And everybody else tonight.
Wind 3009 or fly runway heading runway 30 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 30 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 2294.
Tower 4919, Memphis Tower, traffic's 6 mile final, runway 30 right, line of point.
30 right, clear for
1032, turn left heading 260, contact departure.
Please, we got an emergency on the 30 left. I don't want any distractions pointed at them.
Sorry about that. 8686.
Worries, you got a closed runway that you're on. There's X's on it. Nobody's going to land it.
That's good.
That's
2385, I'll call you back in just a minute.
Tower 4919, you'll be inside of traffic in the upwind there, wind 3009er, turn left heading 280, runway 30 right, clear for takeoff.
Cross runway 4 on Papa, continue.
4 on Papa, continue, Delta 2954. Tower 9 at 2236, visual 30 right.
2236, Memphis Tower, traffic 4 mile final, Boeing 717, wind 3009er, runway 30 right, clear line.
30 right, clear landing on 2236. Minneapolis Tower, crash gate, whiskey, cross
And vehicle whiskey, cross runway 422.
Crash, 1950.
Number 6, November Romeo, crews are on their way to you, nice job.
Thing 280, Delta 2294.
Roger.
Captain 5, they're taxi via Bravo, hold short of the tunnel for now.
Minneapolis Tower, crash 18 on Alpha, permission to cross 422.
Crash 18, tower on Alpha, cross 422.
30 right, sorry about that. 30 right via Bravo, hold short of the tunnel.
Bravo, short of the tunnel.
5, you're cutting in and out. Captain 5, you can proceed onto the runway. The runway is now closed into your control.
U122, hold short of runway 30 left.
Hey, on 22, hold short of 30 left in country, 8686.
Tower South, that's 4065, visual 30 right.
4065, Memphis Tower number 3, wind 3009, runway 30 right, clear to land.
30 right, clear to land, Southwest 465.
Delta 385, I'm just waiting for all those vehicles to go out to where they need to go out to.
Go home to Delta 2385.
The 2385, this looks like actually a good time. Go, just taxi around the tunnel, rejoin Bravo on the other side, please.
The tunnel, rejoin Bravo, Delta 2385.
Back vehicle on ground. Alpha in Quebec, current altimeter 3058.
So 1379, turn left, what's your gate? 1379, turn left, what's your gate, over? 1379, taxi, pop to the gate.
Delta
47, tower. Ground is looking for him, point 9er.
47, just out of an abundance of caution, can I cross downfield from the aircraft? Okay, thanks. I just wanted to get clarification before I went ahead and did it. Victor 8686 on 22, cross runway 30 left, taxi via 22 and Charlie 2.
Runway 22, or excuse me, cross runway 30 left on 22, and then whiskey.
Charlie 2, Secretary 8686, go straight ahead on 22, cross 30 left, use Charlie 2 to get to your gate area.
Alright, Charlie 2 to the gate, Secretary 8686, thank you.
That was 3739, where are you?
1812 Memphis Tower, traffic's 4 mile final, additional traffic will hold in position. If you would just start slowing for me when 3009 on my 30 right, call line.
30 right for departure. Delta 2385, taxi to Bravo Charlie Papa. You can taxi wide around that aircraft heading to the right there if you need to.
Bravo Charlie Papa, and we'll go wide around the aircraft up to 2385.
2941, push approved, runway 30 right.
Push approved, 30 right, out of 2941.
Turn ground point.
And 2236 Minneapolis ground, proceed direct to the gate.
Delta 2954 Tower, got one arrival here, short final, and then I'll get you going. Do you need a run up or anything?
Take it up on the run up, Delta 29.
Okay, thanks. House 47 Tower.
6 visual 30 right.
We'll do what with the lights? Roger. Secretary 606 Minneapolis Tower, traffic's 5 mile final, traffic will hold in position when 3009 on my 30 right, call line.
30 right, clear left, on country 606.
$236.
Delta 2954, traffic's 4.5 mile final on my 30 right line of point.
Right, lap way, Delta 2954.
Delta 2385, make the right turn on Quebec, and I'll call you back to Papa in a minute.
Turn take it back, Delta 2385.
South 4065, turn left on Charlie, contact ground, point enter.
Okay, roger that. There's an emergency on the other side of the airport, so there's a lot going on, so if you called you a little early, sorry about that.
Ground Southwest 4065, clear Charlie, Gates Hotel.
Southwest 4065, taxi via Charlie, Tango, cross runway 30 left, and that'll do it.
Charlie, Tango, cross 30 left, Southwest 4065.
Delta 2385, join Papa.
Top, Delta 2385.
Maintenance 227, taxi via Quebec, Mike, cross runway 4 and hold short of runway 30 left.
Delta 2954, heading 300, contact departure, good night.
300 departure, good night, Delta 2954.
3739, roger that. You'll go behind the Delta 737. They're currently behind and to your right, coming down Papa. Join Papa behind them to the 30 right, the ice pad. $2385, the Embraer heading to the right facing the terminal might start turning out, but they know to go behind you.
2385, roger, thank you.
Delta 1812, turn left, got a ground point enter.
Delta 1812.
Delta 1812 exiting 30 right at Charlie, gate Golf 12.
Delta 1812, taxi to the gate via Charlie and Alpha.
Charlie and Alpha, Delta 1812.
Bravo and Romeo, current altimeter 3058.
3058.
Ground out of 2941, ready to taxi with Romeo off gate Golf 1.
2941, runway 30 right, taxi via Bravo Hotel, runway 4 and Papa.
Okay, 30 right via Bravo Hotel 4 and Papa, Delta 2941.
5512, push approved, runway 30 right.
Wind 3008, runway 30 right, call on.
30 right, clear and land, Delta 1619.
Right.
Good evening, Tower Sun Country 348 visual 30 right.
348, Maple Star, evening number 3, wind 3008, runway 30 right, call on.
2941, pass behind your company, right to left at Charlie.
Give way to company at Charlie, that was 2941.
Delta 1812, company off the left will give way to you at the Bravo Charlie intersection.
Delta 1812.